In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate number sequences within Notion. This is perfect for things like tickets, tasks, or invoices. Any place where every entry needs its own clean, sequential number without you having to think about it. Start inside Notion and create a new page from the top left. From the options that appear, choose Database, then select Empty Database. This gives you a fresh table to work with, no extra setup required. You'll see the default name column. That's the title property for each row. We're going to pair it with a smart number column so every new entry gets its own ID automatically. Open the property menu by clicking Add Property at the top of the table. From the list of property types, choose ID. Notion will add an ID column to your database, and this column is special. It assigns a unique, sequential number to each page in the database. There's no formula to build and nothing to maintain. As soon as a row exists, the ID is generated for you. Now, create your first item. Click into an empty cell under the name column and type a name for the entry. The moment you confirm that entry, you'll notice a number appear in the ID column on the same row. That's your automatic sequence at work. Entry created, number assigned. Add another item to see the sequence continue. Click New Page to create a second row. Give it a name and watch as the next number is created instantly. Each new page adds the next number in order, so you always know where you are in the sequence. This makes organizing, referencing, and sharing entries far more reliable. A few quick best practices can make this even smoother. You can rename the ID column to something like Ticket ID or Invoice Number to match your workflow, and you can drag it to the far left so it's always visible at a glance. If you ever create multiple views of the same database, remember that the ID property remains the same everywhere, which keeps your references consistent. And if you use templates for new pages, the ID will be generated as soon as the page is created, so your numbering stays hands-off. That's all there is to it. You created a new page, picked database, started with an empty database, added the ID property, named your first item, saw the number appear, then added another page to see the next number. With this setup, Notion handles numbering for you automatically, so you can focus on the work, not the admin.